Regardless of our day jobs, we're all banking customers. I'd like us to just keep that in mind for the next 7 minutes. Let me ask you a question. How many of you here in the room today feel really, truly, genuinely valued by your bank? Okay. Okay, of the about 10 people that put your hands up, can you put your hand back down if you work for that bank? Okay. Okay, that's no great surprise. Banks really struggle to understand what we want, what we need, and when we need it. So now ebankIT has developed a platform that helps banks to become more relevant for their customers. Today, we'll be following the life of Diana in 3 small stories. Buying something at a store, using a smart assistant, and getting support for her additional spending habits. In each of these, we'll show you how ebankIT can help the bank and the customer with this spending process. So the first use case, Diana in a store. It's the right offer at the right time.
So on this first story, we'll show you a very common situation, buying a product at a store. I will be the customer.
So in this use case, it's really simple. Someone goes into a store, buys a product, and then goes home and enjoys it. It's really straightforward, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with that transaction. But let us show you how we think this can be improved.
So today, I'm buying a brand new TV for my beautiful new house. To pay for it, I'll use my debit card.
So the TV will cost £400.
Here we go.
Now, as a side note, Diana is paying for this with her debit card, not a credit card. So in this case, the ebankIT platform with some advanced customer analytics will prompt a trigger with an offer for Diana to spread that payment.
So I'll click on my notification and log into my application. Here it is, my spread payment. It looks really good. All I need to do now is to accept this offer. As simple as this, I postponed my payments and got the funds back on my current account. A very good offer since I have a trip planned for next week.
This is a very simple use case, we know, but this is how interactions with your bank should be. Simple and transparent. A personal microfinance offer was created and generated on a transaction that would normally generate 0 revenue for the bank. So in this case, it's a positive outcome for both the bank and Diana. OK, let's move on to the second use case, Diana with her smart assistant.
After getting back home with my brand new TV, I need to check my scheduled payments for next month. After all, I just had a personal finance that I will need to start paying very soon.
So I'll try and show InSync on the mobile phone here, on the mobile app, so that you can get some visual cues as to what's going on.
So let's have a chat. Alexa, ask my bank how many scheduled payments do I have for next month.
Hi, Diana. You have 4 scheduled payments for next month. This already includes the microloan created today.
OK, and as you can see on the mobile app, those are the 4 scheduled payments, including the microloan that's just been created. Diana.
So, as long as I'm here, I'll check my crypto investments. Alexa, ask my bank how many pounds I have in my crypto wallet.
Your crypto wallet currently holds the equivalent to £2,334.
And again, on the mobile app, you can see we can have a look in Diana's risky investments wallet. OK. So in this short story, by providing optimized channels, the ebankIT platform is not only delivering what you would expect a banking platform to deliver, but also the added value experience that customers now demand. OK, let's go to the final story, Diana's additional spending. For this last story, we'll show you one example of how a bank can preemptively help a customer. It's all about keeping it simple and keeping it relevant. OK,
I've been doing a little bit of shopping. Shame on me. And I've been spending a lot more money than I usually would back at home. So when I go to my dashboard, I have a take action message regarding my balance.
OK, so the message you see here in orange has been triggered by the ebankIT platform. And it's about context. It's about the spending patterns, locations, things like that.
OK, so let me click on the message and review my options. I can convert from cryptos, have another personal finance, or even increase my credit card limit to support my extra spendings. It's really cool to have these summarized options to help me with. I'll proceed with crypto and select this one, and done. Well, that was simple.
So to enable these next-generation customer experiences, we need to think about three things: understanding, triggering, and then taking action. Supporting a customer is much more than just providing a product or a service. It's about helping them with their day-to-day life. It's about empathy and understanding. OK, so let's wrap up. Why ebankIT? Three things to consider, three questions really to ask. How fast, how difficult, and how costly? So how fast? So with the ebankIT platform, we have a business core, optimized channels, and pre-built connectors. ebankIT can deliver fast. How difficult? Well, to see some of the advanced interactions you've seen today with an ebankIT platform is pretty straightforward. It's plug and configure. It's easy. And finally, how costly? Well, this is a product. A product is more than just a framework or a toolkit. It's a full digital banking platform, optimized to remove bottlenecks and deliver value both commercially and operationally. If you'd like to know more about ebankIT, please come and see us at our booth.
Thank you for your time. Enjoy this wonderful event. We are ebankIT.